Hello, Professor Fleming or TA. This is going to be my explanation video for, and then I know I'm late, but I did get a email from the TA, and he was nice enough to remind me that I could make up this video. Here we go into the explanation video for, and for this video, uh, I believe we're making a model, and with the models, we're making a bunch of fixtures, right? And then these fixtures gonna allow you to um, allow you to limit each character, each attribute of the model class. Okay. So first thing we do is we already did bundle install, and what was generate model. Okay. So I already did bundle install, yarn install, and then now we're gonna now we're gonna generate a model called show. That represents shows. So our show is gonna have a title, a genre, right? Because one day we do want to. I believe you wanted us to limit the genre to a certain category. Um, then we're gonna have a main char. We want to have a side char. Okay, so now you see now launch our code, our VS code, and then what we want to do here is wait for that to pop up. Sure, I launch it right. Okay, there it is. It was just a little slow. Okay. Um, Now, I believe first thing it wants us to do is hop right into the fixtures, right, which is going to be under test models. Test. It wants us to do this for. Oh, I believe I skipped a step, but it's fine. I'm just going to work on this and then go back and delete that. And then just got to do fixtures. Valid. This case. Okay. Now, second thing we have to do is go into fixtures again. Okay, so right here, it's right here. So I just did two instead. So I just flipped over two and one. It's fine. I'm gonna do the Disney Plus shows. Um, just because I kind of been watching them. Not a reason. And this one's gonna be, I want to say it's more sci-fi, but it has a lot of action as well. What was every episode, to be honest? Nine. Let me change this main character. I'm gonna do that one to be a nine. This one. Let's take it. Okay, so I believe now we do a Rails DB set. Okay, and then you saw all that stuff just popped up, right? And that's good. So next thing I want to do is Rails test v should see here's one. And by end of this video, I then would have a few assertions, right? Should have no failures. Okay, so on to the next part. What we need to do is pretty much we need to adapt these fixtures to all of them, right? With this code right here. So here we go. Let me just skip this right here. Go back. Sorry to zoom things in the way. Okay, so I believe we added down here, right? Show. Shows. And I also believe later we're going to go into our Rails and in this case. Last call, Ruby. Okay. Expected end. I believe that's fine. To the next. Okay. presence of validation, right? Now, what we want to do is go into our review.rb and make sure the title is going to always be there on our model. So we go to app models review.rb, our show.rb. And then right here is basically saying it wants us to go to our Rails console and create a for us it's a show, but for this one's a review. So Rails C is fine as well. We'll do r.show.create. Right. Then title, my title is going to be one. Or not score, but we're doing it genre. Right, genre is going to be. What was it? Comedy, I believe. Then we have a. Then we have a side of, I believe, 8. I don't think it matters. I think so earlier we weren't actually creating the characters. So this is what it says. It says insert show title commit, right? So right here, right? So right here, I think what us do is so earlier we added presence must be true, right? So if we do r.title, right? Well, ours is r, but ours is r. We didn't name it r actually. Title equals neo, right? If we r.save it, if we r.save it, it shouldn't allow us because the title must be present, right? So it says false, which is good. R dot. I'm just gonna copy that. See, so we got everything we need right here. Exit. Then so right here it shows us where we got that from, and we're going to add that in now to our fixtures. Okay, moving on. So right here, our fixtures. Fixtures on test type. Present. Okay. Okay. Yep. I believe it's right here. Copy this down here. Title must be present. One. Right. Should be fine. New one. Show. Okay, now let's see. It's fine as well. Okay. Yeah, I believe we tested again, and then this time should give us 2 runs, 2 assertions. Give 1 second. So earlier, most less call, Ruby gems, syntax error, show.test. Oh, okay. So it expects another end there. Okay, so that looks good. All right. Okay, now we have 3 assertions. I believe it's because we added an extra assertion. Right. Right here. So now we have 3 assertions. I could delete that and see if it only goes back to 2, right? But I think we're gonna need that later. So I'm just gonna keep that there for now on. Now on to the ending of the last part. Okay, so last part, what we want to do is do the genre thingy, right? Make sure that the genre is within these certain genres. So now we go to app model. So the RP, then I'll just add that one at the end, right? And then same thing right here, where we're basically gonna instead of making a new create one, I'm just gonna use the one I already made, the model already made, and I'm gonna change the genre to romance and see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't. Rails, was it Rails C? Rails console. And then genre equals. Okay. Sorry, but it looks like I have to remake my second show. Create website format. It's gonna be it's gonna be I believe we copied. We have action here. Okay, action's the first one. Nice. Okay. So action, and then we got a main char, right? So I don't know what happened. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I'm just gonna delete my VS Code and come back to it. CD. We CD into EV4, and then launch code. I'm not sure what happened back there, but we should be able to go back to Rails console, and we should be able to make our. Let me Rails see the DB migrator first. Yes. So okay, so now I'm gonna create the show again. Hopefully it's done. Okay, so we do. Title. Call. Genre. Okay. I believe that's fine as long as we keep going. Or maybe it's not fine. Sorry for the mistakes in this video. It's been a while since we had you. So is it? Oh, like did it again. Hold on. There we go. Okay. We have make char, which is one. We have a side char. Since this is the last one, we can go ahead and close it out. Commit begin. Okay, Mandalorian genre action. Okay. All right, now so we should be able to do r.genre.save. And it should do the same thing. Yeah, I believe it's safe because The Mandalorian is not a romance under romance; it's under action. Right. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and do the error message. Genre is not included. All right. So far so good. Right. Prove list. Genre equals relevant. Okay. So I believe last thing I have to do is add genre to the list. Okay. So go ahead, exit out of the console. So exit. All right, so now I go back and then do my last test, right? Genre must be from the approved list. I'm gonna scroll all the way down and get this one just because this one's already pretty much already done. Oh, sorry, I believe this is for EV. It's not. So I'm gonna relaunch my code, which I don't know. I'm gonna exit out of. Okay. All right, now finally for the last part. Right, we'll add our last assertion. Genre must be show. Okay. Review. Change that to show. And we may need extra end right there. I'm not sure. Looks good. Now we Rails test it. So I can't find it, so I'm gonna Rails test. Well, okay, so everything looks good. Everything looks good for me right here. I have my 3 runs, 4 assertions. Okay, this is it for my video 4. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to make up my video. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.